Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 955 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the light button and keep holding it until the watch turns off. It takes about 5 to 10 seconds. So let's press and hold the button, keep holding it. And after the screen turns off, wait 2 or 3 seconds more, and then you can release the light button. And at this point your watch should be turned off. As you can see, it is turned off. And now we can turn it back on by pressing and holding the light button again until we see the Garmin logo on the screen. Like this. And then we can release the button and wait until it's done booting into a system. And here we have it. And that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.